Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to start JavaScript. In this session we are going to learn what is scripting, types of scripting, and the introduction of JavaScript. A script is actually a small program which we run in a web environment. To write a script, we require a scripting language. The main purpose of this scripting language is to make your web page interactive. By using HTML, we have designed static web pages. If you want to design a dynamic web page which is interactive, then we have to use scripting. Scripting language is classified into two: client-side scripting and server-side scripting. If the script is interpreted by the client system, then it is client-side scripting program. If the script is interpreted by the server, then it is server-side script. Now we'll see a few client-side scripting languages and server-side scripting languages. Commonly used client-side scripting languages are JavaScript and VBScript. Server-side scripting languages are Perl, PHP, Python, ASP, Java, etc. Even we have JavaScript for server side. Now we'll see what is the difference between client-side scripting and server-side scripting. If the script is executed by the client, then the script is known as client-side script. And if the script is run by the server, then it is known as server-side script. All of you know that web works on client-server architecture. In this client-server architecture, the system which we are working is the client, which will be connected to a server. The client sends a request to the server, and the server processes it and sends back the response to the client. Now, in our system, in the client system, web browser acts as an interpreter to run the script. And the server-side scripting is run on the web servers like IIS, PWS, Apache, etc. In the client-side script, the source code is transferred from the web server to the client system along with the script, and the script is interpreted by the client system. In the server-side scripting, when the user requests, then the script is interpreted by the server itself, and the response HTML page is sent back to the client. In the client-side scripting, generally the script will be visible to the client, but server-side script will not be visible to the client. So this is a major difference between the client-side scripting and server-side scripting. Now let us come to the history of JavaScript. JavaScript is one of the popular scripting languages. It was developed in 1995 by Brendan H. when he was working at Netscape Communications. Netscape Communications has its own browser, it designed its own browser called Netscape Navigator. In those days, Netscape and Microsoft both were the competitors. So Netscape partnered with Sun Microsystems. That time, Sun Microsystems has designed Java. So both Java and JavaScript are different, but they have paid and created JavaScript from LiveScript. And Microsoft has developed JScript. JavaScript and JScript both are different. JScript works only with Internet Explorer. In those days, JavaScript was not that popular. Later on, it became a powerful tool in creating dynamic web pages. Why JavaScript? The features of JavaScript are: it is object-based scripting language. Already you know what is an object. Object is a collection of data and functions that operate on the data. So it's object-based scripting language. Next, it's a lightweight scripting language. Lightweight scripting language in the sense it does not require more memory because it has less data types. Like the JavaScript has only 3 data types: numbers, strings. So here there is no built-in data types like int like C++, Java. Int has 2 bytes. Float has 4 bytes. So where the memory consumption, where the memory requirement is more. But in JavaScript, it is very less. Hence, it is known as lightweight scripting language, and it is a popular scripting language commonly used on most of the web browsers. And it also offers cross-platform support. That is, we can run a JavaScript on any of the platforms. Platform in the sense, the system, operating system may be different. It is used for client-side scripting as well as server-side scripting. But whatever we are learning, this JavaScript is client-side scripting, JavaScript. For server-side scripting, there is Node JavaScript that is mainly for server-side scripting. So I'm not going into the details of that because we are going to learn only client-side JavaScript. Now, what are the benefits of this JavaScript? Advantages. As the script is run by the client system, server interaction is very less. And by using this JavaScript, we can create dynamic web pages. Easy to learn because many of the syntaxes are similar to C language. The speed of execution is more. No need to go to server, execute, get the response. Directly the script is executed by the web browser. So the waiting time is less. That means the speed of the execution is more. Versatility. Versatility here in the sense it is it can be nicely paired with other programming languages such as Perl, PHP, other server-side scripting languages. These are the advantages of JavaScript. Now let us see what are the disadvantages of JavaScript. Here, when we try to run JavaScript program, maybe in some browsers, if the script is disabled, then the JavaScript may not respond. Then you should go to the settings and change the settings, or right click and tell the browser to allow the script. The second is the main one more disadvantage of JavaScript is it can't work with files. Where client server-side JavaScript can work with client files, but not client-side JavaScript. So this is today's session. In the next session, we are going to learn the basics of JavaScript. Thank you.